Sometimes you might find it tricky to tap or press your screen exactly how your iPhone expects, such as accidentally double tapping or tapping too quickly. If so, you can change how your device responds to touch using something called Touch Accommodations. Once you have unlocked your Apple device, find the Settings icon. It's grey and looks like an image of gears. If it's not on the first screen you see, you may need to swipe between screens to find it. Once you've found it, click on it. On the Settings page, scroll and navigate down to the Accessibility tab. It's blue and has a white stickman on it. Then scroll down and tap on Touch under the Physical and Motor heading. Now tap on Touch Accommodations as shown here. You'll see a switch at the top of the screen. Tap this to toggle Touch Accommodations on. Once it's switched on, there are a few options you can customize. Hold duration changes how long you need to touch the screen before your tap is recognized. Turn it on by tapping the switch, then tap the plus and minus buttons to adjust it. Ignore repeat helps if you accidentally tap more than once in a row. Tap the switch to turn it on, then choose how long your iPhone should wait before it registers another touch. Again, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust this. Now, let's look at Tap Assistance. Scroll down to find Tap Assistance. You can choose either Use Initial Touch Location. This means your iPhone will select wherever your finger first touches on the screen, or use Final Touch Location. This means your iPhone will wait and select whatever is under your finger when it lifts off the screen. Try both and see what feels better for you. Once you've made your changes, press the Home button or swipe up to go back to your home screen. These settings can help make your iPhone much easier to use if you need a bit more time or precision when tapping and swiping.